Hello friends, today I am going to explain about a spy drone. Its name is Eagle shaped spy drone. Its features are endurance up to 2 to 3 hours, range up to 50 to 75 km, propulsion and stealth, ultra quiet flight, flight dynamics, biomimics.
Hi guys, my name is Vinhavis Joseph. I am telling about the second advantages of the drone, the Eagle Spy drone. Its features are visual opticals, high resolution, relatable gimbal camera with high definitions optical zoom, night thermal vision, integrated IR. Another one is material analysis with HSI and LIDAR.
Weight is up to 8 to 10 kilogram. Its efficiency cruise speed is 60 to 80 km per hour and its observation speed is 50 to 35 km per hour.
Hi, I am Shivanandu. I will tell about the third stage of our project, autonomy and intelligence features are autonomous navigation and its recruitment target, ease of grid operation, convert mode, and perfect blend. And another one is restless, relance, and anti spoofing.